You know that feeling when life quiets down and you start to wonder if maybe this is it? Like maybe you have missed your moment, or maybe the version of you that once dreamt big doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, I've been there too, when everything feels uncertain and nothing looks like what you pictured. It's easy to believe the story is over. But what if this isn't the end? What if this is where the real healing begins? Sometimes God pauses your plans to protect your purpose. He removes certain people, jobs, or even opportunities, not to punish you, but to prepare you. Because truth, if you had gotten what you wanted back then, you would have been ready for it. This in-between space, it's uncomfortable, but it's sacred. It's where strength is built. It's where faith grows roots. It's where you learn to trust again. In God, in timing, and in yourself. You may not see it yet, but every setback, every not yet, every closed door is quietly redirecting you. And the same God who walked with you through your lowest moments is still writing your story now. He's not done with you yet. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're not forgotten. You're simply being refined. Maybe this season isn't about proving anything. Maybe it's about becoming. Becoming softer where you once were guarded, more grounded where you once were anxious, more patient where you once tried to rush everything. Because growth doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it looks like resting. Sometimes it looks like crying and then trying again the next day. Sometimes it looks like letting go of who you thought you'd be, only to make space for who you're truly meant to become. And I know you're tired. Tired of waiting, tired of being strong, tired of wondering if it's ever going to happen for you. But listen, your delay doesn't mean denial. It's just preparation disguised as patience. You're not stuck. You're being positioned. And if you're still here, if you're still breathing, it means your story isn't finished. It means God still has chapters left to write, ones filled with peace, clarity, and purpose. So don't give up on yourself now. Don't stop believing that something good can still happen for you. You haven't missed your moment. You're just getting ready for it. And when it all comes together, when it finally makes sense, you'll look back and realize every heartbreak, every detour, every delay was leading you right here to the version of you that never stopped showing up. Because the truth is, God's not done with you yet.